What up? Valosty here. So today, I will be doing another cooking video with you guys. Yeah, clap it up. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make sugar cookies. So I'm gonna do this in my little way with the Pillsbury DoughBoy edible cookie dough. And without further ado, let's get into the cooking video. And today I am joined by two special guests, the Nutcracker and Santa. What do you got to say for today's video, guys?
Shut up, Val. You are still annoying and stupid as freak, man. Please stop adding me in these stupid freaking videos.
Same as freaking usual. I'm not surprised. So what you're gonna be needing is a cookie pan, some cookie parchment paper, some colorful sprinkles, but this is only if you want sprinkles on your cookies, some store-bought icing, some cookie molds, and of course, lastly, you're gonna need your Pillsbury DoughBoy cookie dough. So first what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go to your oven, you're gonna press bake, and then you're gonna put 350. So in the meantime, I'll be showing you guys how to make the cookies. Okay, so next what you're gonna do is, you're gonna get your dough, and then you're gonna try to cut the sides off really quick, so it'll be really easy to just plop that dough out. And after you do that, go get your cookie pan. Alright, so what you're gonna do next, this is where you're gonna get your cookie parchment paper. So you're gonna put your cookie parchment paper on the cookie pan. And then so you're gonna get your Pillsbury DoughBoy, the sugar cookies, and you're just gonna plop some on there. And now start to flatten it a little bit. Alright, so after you flatten your cookie dough somewhat like that, forget the fingerprints.
That's disgusting. What is that? What am I looking at?
You're gonna get one of your shape molders, and then you're just gonna plop it into whatever portion of the cookie you want it. And then so you're just gonna try and lift the other cookie dough apart from your shape. Just basically keep doing that. And then perfect. You got yourself like a little unique shape right there. And then so you're gonna keep doing this process with as many shapes as you want until you have reached all the cookie dough. Alright, so I am back. I have made a couple cookies pre-made on my cookie sheet, and I'm starting to run out of space. So now I'm gonna pop these in the oven and they're ready now. So I'm gonna show you guys how long to put them in for. Alright, so you're gonna put those in. Good. And then you're gonna go to your time, and it says to put them for at least like 11 to 14 minutes, but I'm gonna put them on 10 because my oven has been preheated for a while and my oven is very hot. Alright, 10 minutes, and then boom, you're just gonna wait. Alright, so now the cookies are done. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab them, And don't mind that they're round now. I don't know what the freak happened to them. But then you're just gonna plop them on there. And now you are gonna wait a little bit for the cookies to cool down. Alright, so then once your cookies have cooled down, so then you're gonna bring one of your cookies you want to decorate. So get your icing, get your sprinkles if you want to. And then so you're gonna put whatever shape or whatever decoration you want to put on the cookie. So for now, I'm gonna try and do a Christmas tree. Perfect. That doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, so now I am going to be taste testing the cookie. Alright, let me get another bite. One more. So with this, I'd be rating it a 3 out of 5 Christmas trees. Now, the reason why I rate it a 3 out of 5 is because there's not too much sugar in these. They kind of have like a bland taste to them too. And I was mostly disappointed when I realized that the shapes aren't gonna stay how they were when you put them in the oven. But otherwise, they're alright. They're not the best cookie, but I would recommend these if you do want to do some creativity with yourself with baking, and especially during the holidays. But anyways guys, I'm gonna end it here. If you guys want me to do more cooking videos around Christmas time, let me know. I'll be more than happy to. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.